Hey everyone, it's Sumi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a decadent and rich South Indian style Kurma recipe. It's veggie loaded and completely plant-based, so let's get cooking. We're going to start by breaking 1 cup's worth of cauliflower into bite-sized florets, cube half a cup of carrots, cube 1 cup of potatoes. You want to make sure that the carrot cubes are smaller than the potatoes so they all cook through evenly. Slice 1 cup of green cabbage and roughly chop half a cup of green beans. These are the vegetables that we're using, but you can feel free to use the veggies that you have on hand from this list. To achieve that rich and creamy texture, we're going to take a blend of nuts and seeds. We're going to start by soaking 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds in some warm water for 30 minutes. We're also going to soak 15 to 20 almonds in warm water for 30 minutes, after which we're going to peel them, and 2 tablespoons of melon seeds, the same, soaking it in warm water for 30 minutes. I'm using this blend because I'm sensitive to cashews, but if you don't have a cashew sensitivity, you can just soak half a cup of cashews in warm water for 30 minutes, and you can skip the 3 ingredients that I just mentioned. We're now going to make the creamy paste for our kurma. We're going to set a pan on medium-high heat, to which we're going to add 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds. This will give you a nice blend of sweet and spicy and earthy flavors. We're going to roast this mixture till it gets very fragrant and the cumin seeds begin to crackle. You want to make sure to keep mixing so you don't burn your spices. After the cumin seeds begin to crackle and have developed a light color to them, you can turn off your element and cool down your spices. We're going to give our spices a coarse grind. We're going to add our soaked and strained poppy seeds, the soaked and strained peeled almonds, and our melon seeds. And we're going to grind all of this to a smooth paste. We're now going to add in 1 Thai green chili and 1 cup of fresh grated coconut. This is frozen coconut that we've thawed. And once again, you want to grind all of this to a smooth paste. Once that's done, you want to set your paste aside. In a pan on medium heat, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of refined coconut oil. Once the oil has completely melted, we're going to add in 6 to 8 cloves, followed by 6 to 8 cardamom pods, 4 to 6 1-inch cinnamon sticks. These are Ceylon cinnamon sticks and not the cassia variety because this is much sweeter, and 2 to 3 bay leaves. And we're going to cook all of this for around 1 minute till it gets toasty and fragrant. We're then going to add in our sliced cabbage, and we're going to cook this until the cabbage has wilted. We're not looking to get any color on the cabbage because we want to maintain a white color throughout this dish. So as soon as it's wilted, we're going to add in the rest of our chopped veggies. So the cauliflower, carrots, potatoes, and green beans. We're also going to add half a cup of thawed frozen peas. And we're going to mix all of this really well. We're going to cook this for around 2 to 3 minutes and then add in 3 cups of water, followed by a tablespoon of coconut cream. Cooking the vegetables in the coconut infused water adds a lovely flavor to this dish. We're going to reduce the heat to low and boil this mixture until the veggies are fully cooked. After our veggies are cooked, we're going to salt this to taste, mix well, and add in the ground paste that we set aside earlier. Once we've added in our ground paste, we're going to give all of this a really good mix. Bring this mixture to a boil once again and boil for 4 to 5 minutes still on a low heat. Our kurma is now ready to serve. Here we're making a quick vegetable pulao to accompany our kurma. For the pulao, we're just going to be cooking our rice with a few simple spices, adding in some of the veggies that we had left over from our prep for the kurma, and it just makes for the perfect and simple side to go along with this luxurious dish. You can serve this kurma with parathas or rotis or even just plain cumin rice. Here we're serving it as part of a thali. Let me know if you tried this recipe in the comments below. I promise you that even your non-vegan friends will really enjoy it and they won't believe that it's completely plant-based. And please like and subscribe for more such videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!